Hello home buyers! My name is Joselle and in this video ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang ating Jasmine Townhouse Expanded Unit. Ito po ay may lot area na 71.5 square meters at floor area na 78.5 square meters. Please take note lang po na ito ay isang model unit lamang at ang ating actual turnover ay bare unit. Pag sinabi po na bare turnover, meaning po ay cement finish lang and no tiles, no room partitions at wala pang kisame. Ang advantage po niyan ay mapaghahandaan nyo talaga ang pagpapaganda ng bahay ninyo. Kayo ang masusunod, kagaya na lang kung ano ang kulay ng tiles at ilang rooms ang kailangan ninyo. Kagaya ng model unit na ito, merong room dito sa baba at may service area na pwede nyo pa i-improve. Ito ay pwedeng maging part ng kitchen or a laundry area. Ito ay available sa General Trias project po natin na Richdale West Residences and for as low as 11,000 monthly equity for 20 months and through Pag-ibig financing. Dito naman sa second floor ay may 1 toilet and bath, 3 bedrooms and a family room. So again po, ito ang ating Jasmine Expanded Townhouse na may lot area na 71.5 square meters, floor area na 78.5 square meters, 1 car garage, service area, 2 toilet and bath, and provision for 3 to 4 bedrooms. Available po ito sa Richdale West Residences located in Barangay Alingaro, General Trias, Cavite. 11,000 monthly equity through Pag-ibig financing up to 30 years to pay. Sulit, 'di ba? PM me for your inquiries and site viewing schedule. My name is Joselle Bilyote, your friendly and trusted real estate partner. Thank you and God bless.